Today I got the message that my battery in the key fob was low in my Nissan. So I have to change it with a new one that is going to be the CR2032. I'm going to show you in a second. First of all, you have to pry here and remove the key. Always easier to do it before and then when you make the video note. So you remove this key, and then with a small flat screwdriver you have to go pry here. See between the plastic, I mean it's all plastic, but it's the black and the silver right there. You just go pry and it's gonna separate little by little. You hear that, no? And then you go, keep going, keep going, keep going, and doing like that you're gonna open your key fob, you see, and that's your battery. That you can lift it always with the screwdriver in the back here, very simple. See, it's called 2032. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This one, I don't remember where I bought this, but you can find it in Amazon or in many other stores. Okay, got the new battery. You just push it in like that. Make sure it's touching here and it's going all the way down. And then you reinsert your plastics into the body of the car. And that's it. You can put your key back and your fob is ready to go. 2032 is a very, very common battery. You can find it in any store. I just noticed that in the video I put the battery reverse, so it was facing down. Instead it has to be face up like it is right now, and in the video I put it facing down. So when I went into the car it was still telling me, and now I'm going to show you because I found something very interesting. Let me go show you what the car was telling me. With a battery practically not inserted, because if you put it in reverse, of course, it's like if you don't have a battery inside the key fob. Okay, so I'm inside the car and obviously right now I have the key fob here with me. I'm gonna leave it there to show you, but I don't have the battery inside. So the car still tells me that the key fob, the battery is low. Okay, and I'm gonna try to start the car anyways, and it's gonna tell me place the key near the start switch, and that's what I do. See, I put it close and it starts the car, and there is no battery here. I'm gonna show you in a second. I just took the battery off, so you can start the car even without battery. And look what happened also if you want to turn it off. I press and it's telling me, okay, except for that I have to cancel. There is no key, so to stop the car you have to press and hold to stop the engine. So you go here, you press and hold, and that's how you turn off the car. You turn on and you turn off the car without battery into the key fob. Look at that, there is no battery in the key fob. Let me leave it here for the people that doesn't believe, and I'm gonna show you again. Let's start, and it's gonna tell me, oh, there is no key fob, there is no battery, of course. So I put it close, no battery because it's open. The other side with the battery is there, where the battery should go, and I can start the car. See? There's no battery, and I can stop the car holding it like that. There is no battery in the key fob, and I can still start the car. Incredible. Just put in the receiver, the key fob close to the starting button.